Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Lite. In this video, you will learn how you can remove SIM card and SD card from your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Lite. First of all, go to the left side of your tablet and here find a hole. In this hole, you have to insert SIM ejector tool. Just push down into the hole. The SIM tail will be coming out. Just pull it out, and yes, I have removed the tray and keep the tablet aside. And here, just take out of SIM card, take out of SD card. Then reinsert this tray into your tablet. Bring your tablet behind and reinsert here. So in this way you can easily remove SIM card and SD card from your tablet Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.